The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. What if the real reason you're not losing weight has nothing to do with willpower, motivation, or discipline? You're eating better. You're trying to stay active. Yet, stubborn fat just won't budge. The truth is, most people aren't failing at weight loss. Their fat-burning systems are failing them. In this video, you'll discover 10 times better fat burners that work with your body, not against it. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fat burners and how they can support fast, effective weight loss when used correctly. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to lose stubborn weight, you're not alone. Many people find that diet and exercise alone aren't enough, especially as metabolism slows with age, stress increases, and hormones shift. That's where fat burners come in. In this video, we'll explore how fat burners actually work, the science behind fat metabolism, the best natural fat-burning ingredients, popular fat burner supplements, and how to use everything safely and effectively. Fat burning isn't just about appearance. It's about energy, metabolic health, and long-term wellness. When fat burning works efficiently, you may notice better energy, reduced inflammation, improved digestion, and easier weight control. Fat burners don't replace healthy habits, but they can enhance your results when used properly. Let's break down the science. Fat burners support your body's natural metabolic processes. One key process is thermogenesis, the production of heat that increases calorie burn. When thermogenesis rises, your body uses more energy throughout the day. Another key process is lipolysis, which is the breakdown of stored fat into fatty acids so it can be used as fuel, especially during physical activity. Most fat burners include ingredients that stimulate thermogenesis and promote lipolysis. However, these supplements work best when combined with a balanced diet, adequate protein, and regular movement. The truth is, fat burners amplify effort. They do not replace it. When it comes to fat burners, ingredients matter. Let's look at some of the most effective natural fat-burning compounds. Green tea extract is rich in catechins and supports metabolism while helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Caffeine boosts energy, focus, and thermogenesis. It also enhances workout performance and calorie burning. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which increases metabolic rate, supports fat oxidation, and may help control appetite. When combined correctly, these ingredients provide a natural boost to your fat-burning potential. Green tea extract contains a powerful compound called EGCG, which has been shown in studies to increase fat oxidation during exercise by up to 17%. This means your body literally burns more fat for fuel when you're active. Caffeine works synergistically with green tea, creating what scientists call a thermogenic synergy that can boost your resting metabolic rate by 5 to 11% for several hours after consumption. Capsaicin from cayenne pepper does something unique. It not only increases your metabolic rate, but also activates brown adipose tissue, which is the good fat that burns calories to generate heat. Research shows that regular capsaicin consumption can increase energy expenditure by 50 to 100 calories per day without any additional exercise. These natural compounds work together to create what I call a fat-burning cascade effect. Now let's review several well-known fat burner supplements. Hydroxycut is known for boosting energy and metabolism. Many users report results when combined with diet and exercise, though some experience jitteriness. Lipo-6 is a potent formula designed to suppress appetite and increase energy. Due to its stimulant content, it may not be ideal for everyone. Instant Knockout was originally developed for athletes and uses natural thermogenic ingredients like green tea and cayenne pepper for sustained energy. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement. Each of these products has its strengths, but the key is matching the right formula to your specific needs and tolerance levels. If this video is helping you, go to the description below to watch your next must-watch video. Grab your free Keto ebook that's in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next upload. Timing and consistency matter. Fat burners are most effective when taken in the morning or 30 minutes before workouts. Avoid taking stimulant-based supplements late in the day, as they may interfere with sleep. Pair fat burners with whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and proper hydration. Exercise, especially strength training and cardio, enhances fat-burning results. Remember, fat burners are tools, not shortcuts. Your circadian rhythm also plays a big role in fat metabolism. Taking fat burners in the morning aligns with your highest cortisol and metabolic activity periods. Pre-workout timing, about 30 minutes before exercise, ensures peak blood levels during your training session. Consistency over 4 to 6 weeks allows your body to adapt and maximize the thermogenic effects. One highly recommended natural remedy for fat metabolism is ginger water. To make it, use 4 cups of water and 2 inches of fresh ginger that has been peeled and grated. Boil the water, add the ginger, cover, and turn off the heat. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then strain. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Drink this warm or cold about 30 minutes before meals. Many people report improved digestion, reduced bloating, and better metabolic support. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that increases gastric motility and thermogenesis while reducing feelings of hunger. Lemon juice provides vitamin C and supports liver detoxification, which is crucial for fat metabolism. Raw honey balances blood sugar to prevent fat storage spikes. This simple drink creates a powerful pre-meal metabolic primer. If this video is helping you, go to the description below to watch your next must-watch video. Grab your free Keto ebook that's in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next upload. Today, you learned how fat burners work, the science of thermogenesis and lipolysis, which natural ingredients matter most, how to use supplements safely, and a simple, natural fat-burning drink. Fat burners work best when paired with smart lifestyle choices. Ready to kickstart your health journey? Like this video and subscribe for more science-backed health strategies. Thank you for watching.